Trevor, Justin and Trevor. All right, kingah here at KTAuthentics. Gonna do a box of Heritage. Good luck, man. It was probably of Justin Hunter. That's why he's so happy about it. Look at Trevor saying, I am so awesome. Look at Trevor. Gibson, or Gibbon, Joe Gibbon, 50th anniversary. Wow, I can't read today. Joe Gibbon, 50th anniversary. Gary, good luck, man. Riggedosity. That's a new word, John. Riggedosity. Well, we hit a Bregman earlier. We hit a Bregman and a Hall of Famer Rod Carew red ink out of 68 out of the other one. Who pulled it for you, Trev? What up, Dave? All right. Alcides Escobar. Mookie Wilson. Silver. Rediscover. We got Jody Mercer, blue border. Gary Sanchez, performers. Coveners, I will do that right after this, man. Do that right after this. Ground out. Stuff's gonna be hot, man. Is case on here? Yep. Mike Easler, rediscover tops. Yoan Moncada, rookie. And Tim Foley, rediscover tops, copper. Mike Trout, triple. And Robbie Cano. Robbie Cano, Clubhouse. Kyle Hendricks, upside down. So that's going in the stack because it was upside down variation. That Moncada's nice, man. Moncada's good. Out of 9.99, Jose Abreu. Ed Nunez, blue. You're going to get all cards, Gary, so you can go through for short prints or anything like that. Performers, Michael Fulmer. And that was your box, Gary. Let me know if you want to do any more. Any more, man. Alright, Covenant.